Have you ever struggled with data in Excel? Many people do, because when you come in and it looks funky, you don't know how to fix it and get it clear, it makes it tough to really work with your data. And when you can't see it the way you want to, it's just frustrating. So I'm Tina with Excelling Your Business, and I'm here to teach you today how to quickly resize your columns and your rows. So we're going to get right to it. So let's take a look at this data. You're looking at my books file, and you can see that I've got pound signs. There's information here. You can see that they're cut off because there's next rows. And this is all it's stacked in one column, in the column, and it's up and down. It's hard to read, and I want to make it quick and easy. So what you need to do is come up between the 1 and the A and click in this rectangle that has the little triangle in it. When you click on that, you can see it just highlighted everything within the spreadsheet. So if you see my cursor changes to a down arrow, and when I come in between the A and the B, I get a double arrow. So it's an arrow pointing left and right, and just an up and down line. Once I have that, I can double click, and Excel just automatically resized all my columns to the width it needed to show everything in one, for as long as they were not wrapped. So these two cells are wrapped, so that's why it didn't go out farther. Now these were wrapped earlier, but now they're long enough they don't have to be wrapped. So if I come in, I'm still under this little rectangle. I can come in between any of my numbers. I'll get an up and down arrow and resize at the same time. One thing you want to be careful of, though, and I do this one all the time because I forget, I still have everything selected, and I want to come in and make this one a little bit shorter. Well, what I just did is resized everything again, but now it's all to that one size that I wanted A to be. So remember, undo is your friend, so the little arrow up on the top, undo. Unclick on from the whole thing, just click by clicking anywhere in the spreadsheet, and then you can just move the one. And I'll move this one over a little bit too, and these three can all be the same size. So I'm just going to make them a little bit smaller, and that does it all at once. So we're all good. So remember to click in that rectangle, get the double arrow, and you're all good to go. If you like these tips, and you're watching this on YouTube, I would love it if you would follow my channel, like the video, and if you want more notifications of when I send out tips, click the notification bell. Thanks, and have a great day.